we going to sell this property?
Well, we can have 1, 2 Ferrari. Vin Diesel come shoot his next film, Fast and Furious 20.
Nothing sadder than locking the beast in a cage.
We could do that, or we could tell them it's a spacious 2-car garage on a private cul-de-sac in a gated community on a family-friendly street. So what should we say about this kitchen?
Well, imagine Gordon Ramsay kicking up a storm and filming the next Hell's Kitchen with a bunch of supermodels everywhere.
All of you, come here, quick! Hurry up, get out of the way, get out of the way.
We could say that, or we could tell them it's great new quartz countertops with a dishwasher, stainless steel refrigerator, and 5-burner stove. So how are we going to show the fact that it has amazing vaulted ceilings?
Well, we can tell them to put a trampoline, put a basketball hoop, and have professional NBA players do a slam dunk contest.
We could do that, or we could just tell them it's high vaulted ceilings.